Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you location of spare tire and jack kit on 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is gonna be the same location on Mitsubishi Outlanders made from 2010 and all the way up to 2021. Spare tire on this Mitsubishi Outlander is located in the back of the vehicle right underneath. And as you can see, it is right there. To locate the jack kit, we will have to open the lift gate. And now when the lift gate is open, you wanna check on the right hand side, and you're gonna notice this panel, this plastic cover. You wanna just pull this down and pull it out. And right there you have a jack and tools. To remove spare tire on this Mitsubishi Outlander, you will have to use this tool. And now you'll have to find this plastic cover, and you just want to open it up. And now after that, you will have to use a spare tire wrench. And you simply just want to insert it on that nut. And then you just wanna turn it counterclockwise to release the tire. As you're turning it counterclockwise, you are lowering the tire from underneath. Now when the spare tire is lowered a bit, you can just push this up just enough so you can remove that hook, and now you have your tire down, and simply just wanna pull it out. And use it. As you can see, your spare tire is mounted on this metal bracket. Like I said, you wanna lower it just enough so you can remove it from this hook that's holding the bracket, and then you can pull it out. When you're done replacing your spare tire, you just wanna lift this metal bracket up and hook it up right there. And when that is hooked up, you just wanna lift this bracket up, so you will turn this nut clockwise. You can close this plastic cover and put those tools back. And that's it. If you own 2022 and newer Mitsubishi Outlander, unfortunately those Outlanders are not equipped with the spare tires. Instead of spare tire, you will find tire repair kit, and it's gonna be located right here in this compartment. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.